I'm at number 16 Moorfield Road in St Giles-on-the-Heath. This is a picture that I'm showing you of a board that has recently been erected close by that has sale agreed written on it. So you know, this is a popular area, popular style bungalow. As you can see, it comes with a garage there. It's semi-detached and it has got 2 good sized bedrooms, which I'll show you when we go inside.